Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a rainbow cocktail. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw a glass. Next, let's add a straw. On top, I'll draw a cute little umbrella. Now, let's decorate our cocktail with a slice of orange. And now, it's time to color. First, I'll use red to color the umbrella. For the orange slice, I'll use yellow. Then, I'll add some orange here. I'll use all the colors of the rainbow to make this cocktail super fun. Let's add some green. Some sky blue here. And finally, I use light purple to color the glass. Now, let's draw some more drinks. First, I'll draw a lemonade pitcher like this. Then, I'll add the candle. Next to it, let's draw a fresh lemon. Inside the pitcher, I'll add some ice cubes and a lemon slice. Now, let's draw a cup of orange juice. First, I'll sketch the cup. On top, I'll add some orange jelly, cream, chocolate, and mint leaves. Then, I'll draw the cup handle. Inside the cup, let's add 2 orange slices. Now, let's outline everything with a black marker to make it stand out. Time to color. I'll use dark yellow for the lemon. The lemon slice will also be dark yellow. For the ice, I'll use sky blue. Let's color the mint leaves green. The orange jelly and orange slices will be bright orange. The chocolate piece will be brown. And our drawing is almost done. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Goodbye!